Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do a recipe out of this cocktail book, the 1930 Savoy Cocktail Book. And this is a beautiful book, very art deco, and it contains a lot of cocktail recipes that use ingredients that are either impossible to get anymore because they're just not made, or they're made in such limited quantities that they're difficult to get your hands on, or that the category just doesn't really exist anymore. And so the recipe we're going to do today is called the Byrrh Special Cocktail. And so Byrrh refers to this. This is called Byrrh. It's a brand name. It is a brand name from a category that is called Quinquina, or it is known as a Grand Quinquina. And at this point in time, there really aren't too many of these left that are still made. There's Byrrh. Lillet used to be a Quinquina, but sometime in the mid-1980s, they took out the quinine, or the cinchona bark, and that's what made it bitter and made it considered a Quinquina. The other one is Dubonnet, and if you live outside of the United States, Dubonnet is still made using the original formula. If you live inside the United States, the Dubonnet that is sold there is made there and doesn't have any cinchona bark in it or quinine at all, so it's not bitter, and you're not going to get the same result. Now the next ingredient is Old Tom gin, and I'm going to do this two ways using two different Old Tom gins. That one is from England, and the one I've got here is from a local producer, and it's got this lovely pinky red color. And so both of these get iced. And get a stir. Okay. Got a couple of Nick and Nora's already iced down. And we strain into our glass. And there you have the Byrrh Special Cocktail.
Hello, Glenn. Hi, friends. The Byrrh Special Cocktail.
Yeah.
Very interesting. It's a beautiful color.
It is a very nice color. It is a very nice color. So this is, let's give it a go. I haven't tasted the Byrrh on its own yet. So let's try this and then see. So yours is made with the Old Tom gin from England.
Okay.
And mine is made from the one from Kinset.
Okay.
Just down the street. That's lovely.
I don't know that it's. I don't know about that.
Okay, try this one. Try this one. Oh, okay. Julie's not convinced that it's lovely.
I'm not convinced that it's lovely. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to leave it here.
Okay.
I'm going to put this one back there so we know which one is which.
Okay. Oh.
That one's very different. That one's just a little bit sweeter. This one could use just a little bit of sweetness, like just a little maraschino cherry or something to just add a little sweetness to it.
Balanced.
It's a little too bitter for me.
Balanced, completely unbalanced. And that's the gin.
Yeah. That's amazing. Like
Okay.
that, I can see why this is different.
Lovely, not so lovely. Let's try the Byrrh on its
But
own.
that being said, throw in a maraschino cherry or something, a little bit, or a little dash of grenadine, or maybe a
little something.
little something
to balance it out. A little gum syrup or
Yeah.
anything like that. So this is the
what a great opportunity to try a whole bunch of drinks.
this is the Byrrh. Now this is Lillet, and many years ago.
Yeah. So not same, but not the same anymore.
Same but not the same anymore.
Oh, that's the colors similar but different.
Yeah. So they're both wine based. They're both wine based. They both have botanicals in them. It's kind of like vermouth, except it's not vermouth.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's been a long time since I've. The Lillet is definitely sweeter.
Yeah.
But I think this has a lot more flavor to it. A bold, like there's flavor.
It's flavor rich. This is flat. To me, this is the Lillet is flat. Like it doesn't have the depth of flavors. So what have we learned? I like the beer cocktail made with beer and the Kinsip gin. And so there's the thing. When it's just two things in a glass, one of them can really change the flavor.
You may say that you don't like a Byrrh Special Cocktail because you had it once.
And it was the wrong gin.
But it was the wrong combination for you.
Yeah.
Because there's someone out there who prefers something
yeah.
not as sweet.
Yeah. I shouldn't say that, wrong gin. The wrong gin for you. Gin is one of those things that you just have to search for the one that you like any spirit, like whiskey, any of those things. Now, if you live in Ontario and you're about to ask me where I got beer from, I can't tell you. Can't tell you. It is difficult to get. If you are in Quebec, you can get it through the SAQ. It has very limited, worldwide, very limited distribution. And at one point, this company was massive. Prior to World War II, they were one of the biggest producers in France. It was huge. It's gone now. But I think we should bring it back with this. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.